My name is Kyle and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you one of my first ever car flips. This one is a 2000 Saturn SL2 and it came about because my neighbor finally upgraded his car after driving this since 2000. This was a running and driving car, but it did need headlights polished, it needed an exterior hand wash and an interior detail. So I was able to do that, and as you can see in these listing photos, I was able to clean it up pretty well. So for all the listing photos, you want to make sure you get both sides, most 3/4 shots if you can try and do that, and some interior shots. But as you can see here, got the trunk, another 3/4 shot, just trying to show it in its best light. I was able to vacuum out the interior, polish up the plastics, clean the seats so that there wasn't any staining. And as you can see, it's a pretty basic transportation in the first place, so there wasn't too much to really clean. And it was in good condition when I bought it. But as you can see, there might be some minor wear and tear, but overall, pretty good condition for the price I asked for it. So this is just showing the driver's and passenger seat. This is showing your gauge cluster and your steering wheel and everything that the driver's going to sit in. This is showing from the driver's point of view. I really like this shot in particular because it gives the purchaser a idea of what it would look like when they're sitting in their car driving. And this is just showing that there was no check engine lights on or airbag lights or anything. And showing the mileage. Pretty low for a Saturn at 126,000, but another 3/4. There was a little bit of paint peel that I couldn't fix, but what can you say when you're asking $1,500 for a car? Showing that the engine fluids were topped off, a good tread on tires. So yeah, I was able to get $1,500 in the end, so I doubled my money. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more car flip content. Thank you very much.